Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a quiz here in Kajabi. All right, so first up, go log into your Kajabi account. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the left panel and click on products. Okay, now go ahead and click on courses. In here, if you don't have a course, just go ahead and click on plus new course right here at the top. As you can see, I already have one. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up like so. And in here, just go to the top and click on add content. All right, as you can see here, quiz is available. Or you can go ahead and go to your modules right here and click on add content. Quiz is available as well. Just click on it and now go ahead and just start entering your first question. For example, 1 + 1 could be a multiple choice, checkbox, short answer, or file upload. So checkbox maybe. The answer, option 1 is 2. If you want to add an explanation, you can go ahead and click on this option. Select add option 2. The answer is 1, 3, 4. Okay, now once done, make sure to mark the correct answer. Okay, 1 + 1 = 2 right here, check it. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in more questions, like give a country that maybe what color is the sky in the morning. Could be a checkbox right here or short answer. Okay, for example, short answer. The answer is blue, and then at the top, just make sure to hit on save. Okay, got it. Wait for it. Now go to settings right here. Name the quiz, for example, simple questions. Description, add in, upload an image for the thumbnail of this particular quiz. If you want to, you can go ahead and set a passing grade. It could be 70, just to change the number without entering the percentage sign. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and hide the answers on the result page. And then once the test is complete, you can go ahead and enable send a completion email with link to results, or send a completion email to my team, like so. And then once done, you can go ahead and click on preview right here if you want to, but make sure to hit on save first. Okay, preview, wait for it. 1 + 1, 2, blue, submit. Yes, submit. As you can see here, it says your answer has been recorded. Your grade will be available once your quiz has been reviewed. Does it on close? And that's basically it. You can now go back to courses right here. Check your course. The quiz will be available right here. Simple questions. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.